Hey YouTube, this is Lucky Duck Wallets, and today I'm going to be showing you guys 3 orders that I have. I have to send them out today, so I'm going to do this real fast. The first one is a bifold. It's checkerboard and it's all lined up, no fold-over lines. It is a pink ID, pink and teal pockets, 2 hidden pockets, pink and teal billfold. The next one is a Monster Madness wallet, and I couldn't figure out how to line it up, but the person who ordered it said it was fine. So we have that, no fold over lines. And on the inside they wanted 2+2 with teal and green pockets. So it's 2+2, 2 hidden, and then red and orange billfold. And the last one is a Tweety Bird wallet. Let me just peel this off real fast. It's a Tweety Bird wallet, and I think the design came out real nice. It's clear taped over, but yeah, I think it came out really cute. On the inside is 3 pockets on this side, an ID, 1 hidden, and a pink and yellow billfold. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.